Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you guys this beautiful wig from ISEEHAIR. This is ISEEHAIR's Wear and Go Reddish Brown Body Wave Glueless Wig. It is a 4x6 lace closure. I have it in 26 inches and this is 180% density. And as you guys can see, this color is so pretty and I'm going to show you guys how quick and easy it was to go ahead and install this wig. So of course I'm giving you guys a full unboxing. ISEEHAIR is known for sending so many goodies along with their wigs. It's crazy. So expect your package to look exactly like mine when you receive it. So here is the hair. Once again, this is their Wear and Go Reddish Brown Body Wave Glueless Wig. I have it in 26 inches and in 180% density. Take a look at this lace, you guys. The lace does come pre-cut, pre-plucked for you as well. I will say that the lace is a little bit transparent, so it is going to show up a little white if you are brown skin like me. However, make sure you add some foundation, etc., which I'll show you guys in this tutorial as well. The wig cap is a dome wig cap, and of course you have the adjustable elastic band for a nice glueless wig install. So let's go ahead and jump on into the tutorial. As you guys can see, I'm just giving you guys another quick close-up of all the lace details. Remember, the lace closure is 4x6, so if you want to do different parting styles, you can. So the first thing that you want to do is add some makeup onto your lace. This is extremely important, especially being that this lace is a little on the white side. So try to add some foundation powder, or even some spray tint that matches your skin color and add that onto the lace. Then you're going to adjust the adjustable strap and go ahead and throw the wig on. Now me personally, I do like to get all the excess hair out of my face using my wax stick and my hot comb, just so I can really see what that lace is looking like and add a little bit more foundation if I need to. So right now I'm just dabbing some more foundation onto the edges of the lace just to help blend it a lot better. Remember, this is a reddish brown wig, so the knots do have a play as to why the lace is looking that way. Also, the lace is very transparent, which is why it's showing up pretty white. So if this bothers you and the foundation is not enough, you can actually use some melting spray and just dab a little bit on the lace just to help it sink in a lot better. That way it's not too noticeable. But me personally, I like to skip some steps if I can. If I can make it work, I'm gonna make it work. So the first thing that I'm doing is going in with my wax stick and my hot comb. I ensured that my middle part was definitely in the middle, and now I'm going to do my method of making sure the wig is laying extremely flat. What I like to do is I go section by section with my wax stick and my hot comb, ensuring that the wig is flat, but also I use this time to really mold and shape the wig how I want it to lay. So I'm going to take my time with this just so I could really try to get the hair to cover up as much lace as possible, because I wanted to keep this glueless and sprayless. Okay, both sides are finished. I hope you guys noticed the difference, like how much of a difference it actually makes. That's why I like to do that method. So it's time to style the rest of the hair. Of course, I did one side off camera just to get it out the way. If you guys still see the lace in these clips, please don't worry about it. Trust me, y'all know I'm not crazy. I did not leave it that way. It'll all be fixed by the end of this tutorial. Trust me, okay? Trust the process. So first, I'm going to go in with some hairspray and brush it all through the hair to make sure it got on each strand. Next, I'm going to go section by section. The width of your section shouldn't be bigger than 2 fingers, if that makes any sense, okay? You don't want it too big, you don't want it too small, but it really all depends on how you want your curls to look. So you could go bigger, you could go smaller, but this is just what I do. So I'm gonna go in with my curling wand and wrap the hair around it, leave it on for like 10 seconds, and then I let it drop. And the hair took to the curling wand extremely well. It took to the heat extremely well. My curling wand is at 430 degrees, and just so you guys know, this is Brazilian human hair, okay? So she did a really good job. Now, as far as my thoughts regarding the wig in itself, my favorite thing about the wig is the color. I love the color because I've had reddish brown wigs before and it's a little bit more red than brown. I feel like this was a true reddish brown wig, so I really loved how it looked on my skin tone. I also loved the quality of the hair. I didn't feel like I had excess shedding or excess tangling or anything like that. Like, it wasn't too bad, you know. As far as the lace, I do like the fact that they send you the lace pre-cut and pre-plucked. If you're a beginner, this is going to work wonders for you. I also like the fact that you have the option to keep this wig 100% glueless and 100% sprayless. If you want to melt it down a little bit more with some spray or glue, that's completely up to you. But if you're like me, where you try to avoid things like that, this wig is perfect. The only thing, just like I mentioned earlier, is that the lace is pretty transparent. So again, just follow my methods as far as adding some foundation onto the lace or using some melting spray if it bothers you that much. But other than that, you guys, the hair was actually really pretty. Okay, we are all done. Comment down below and let me know what you think about this wig. I think it came out beautiful. Again, that color just pops, and that's part of the reason why I wore this white shirt, because I really wanted you guys to focus on the color. I definitely love how the hair came out as far as the curls. It took to the curling wand extremely well, as I mentioned earlier. And for this being 180% density, she's pretty full. Like, she's giving more than 180% density. So again, comment down below, let me know what you guys think about this wig. I will have all the specific details listed in the description box down below for you guys to check out. Thank you so much for tuning in, and shout out to ISEEHAIR. I will see you guys next time.